Salika, Dev, and Rajiv are sharing a large block of cheese. They take turns cutting off half of what remains and eating it. First, Salika eats half of the cheese, then Dev eats half of the remaining half, then Rajiv eats half of what remains, then back to Salika, and so on. They stop when the cheese is too small to eat, to see. So they eat a lot. About what fraction of the original block of cheese does Salika eat in total? So we can observe that this problem can be solved by writing a geometric sequence for the amounts of pieces they eat. Salika eats in all of the turns and adding them as a geometric sequence, but there's a much faster and neater way. So observe that after Salika, Dev becomes the first person, right? And the game just starts with Dev with half the cheese instead of the full cheese, right? So the amount that Dev is going to eat should be exactly half the what Salika eats, because every turn Dev eats half of what Salika ate in the previous turn. So let's say these are the amounts that they ate. So we observe that if Rajiv eats half as Dev because Rajiv starts right after Dev. So if Rajiv ate apple as much cheese, then Dev ate 2 apples and Salika ate 4 apples. And then the total amount is the whole cheese, which is 1 block. So we find that 7 apples is 1. Apple is 1/7. So the amount Salika ate is 4 apples, which is 4/7 of the block. So the answer is E. If you wanted to write this as a geometric series, then the amount that Salika ate would be first half and then multiply by 1/8, because it takes 3 turns to get back to Salika, and each turn you are dividing the amount by 2. So, and then 1/16 times 8, etc. That is 1/2 times 1 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 square, a geometric sequence with what 1/8 ratio, and that will be 1 divided by 1 minus 1/8, or 8/7 times half. So you get the same answer with a geometric sequence.